Hi, my name is Kiro, and I work for a game development studio called Team Intuition. And today, I'm going to show you how to make this effect. Before we begin, there are some things you should know. This tutorial uses the Unity 3D game engine, and you'll need version 2018.3, 2019.3, or newer. If you haven't already, I will walk you through starting a new project using the scriptable render pipeline and installing the visual effects graph. My intention is to keep this tutorial accessible to beginners. So let's get started. If you haven't already downloaded the Unity Hub, you can install it by going to this link, store.unity.com/download-NUO. Once on the page, click on the blue Start Here button, and be sure and read the conditions. There are certain cases you should be aware of. Unity Hub is a launcher for the projects you'll make in Unity. However, to get started, you'll need a license and you'll need to download a version of Unity into the Hub. To get a free Unity license, you can perform the following steps. To install the latest version of Unity directly from the Hub, you can click on the Installs tab, click the Add button, select the version of Unity that you want to download, then click on Next, and then click on Done. It may take some time to complete the download. Next, we'll create a project using the URP. A quick sidebar. URP stands for Universal Render Pipeline and is intended to be an artist-friendly workflow which lets you quickly create and optimize graphics across a range of platforms, from mobile to high-end consoles and PCs. To create a project using the URP, go to the Projects tab, click on New, click on Universal Render Pipeline, name your project, change the location if you want, and then click Create.